Dear viewers, welcome to another video lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to share with you some commonly mispronounced words in English. We often mispronounce these words whenever we use it. No more worry, today we are going to fix it right here. So, let's get started. The first one is era, 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 or in American accent, error, error, error. There are too many errors in your work. There are too many errors in your work. Second one is healthy, healthy. We have a tendency to say healthy, healthy, but it should be healthy. His lifestyle is quite healthy. Then comes wealthy, wealthy. Like healthy, we should pronounce wealthy, wealthy. Though we say wealthy, but it should be wealthy, wealthy. He is now fabulously wealthy. He is now fabulously wealthy. Next one, guardian, guardian, or in American pronunciation, guardian, guardian. Okay, so though in our country we say guardian, guardian, but it must be guardian, guardian. The court appoints a legal guardian for the child. The court appoints a legal guardian for the child. After that, fatal, fatal. Though we say fatal, but it should be fatal. He suffered fatal injuries when he was struck by a car. He suffered fatal injuries when he was struck by a car. Then comes dangerous, dangerous. Though we say dangerous, but the correct pronunciation is dangerous. It's a dangerous road. It's a dangerous road. Then debut, debut. Sometimes we say debut or debut. It's neither debut nor debut. It's debut, debut. This is the band's debut album. This is the band's debut album. Next one, essential, essential, not essential. So money is not essential to happiness. Money is not essential to happiness. Then magician, magician. We say magician, but it should be magician. They have booked a magician for the children's party. They have booked a magician for the children's party. Last but far from least, exception, exception, not exception. With a few exceptions, the songwriting is very good. With a few exceptions, the songwriting is very good. That's all for today. See you with another video lesson. Speak right and win your barriers.